Alright, this is part 2. We're doing the diagnostic scan now. So we've got Audi. Automatic. Read. Okay. Saloon. And what is it? CCWA. So go, CCWA, diagnosis, control unit with the engine, trouble codes, there you go. It's a lot of faults in the system now. So we're gonna actually do our diagnostics, do all the stuff we need to do to fix this car up, and then we'll give you another video, part 3, when it's all good and running perfect. Yeah, this is the fault codes. Alright, we'll log part 3 on, and this is the fault that you got.